In front of me is REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. First of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and click on language and region. Now click on language, and here you've got the list of languages, so you can apply whichever you would like to have smoothly by tapping on it. So let me apply Croatian, tap on done, click on change to Croatian, and that's it. As you can see, now the whole device is in Croatian and you can smoothly use it in this language. Then, if you would like to change it again, just pick language and region again, go to language and mark another, the one that you would like to apply. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.